our school is being given to the special guest. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir.
The chairman of this VMC committee, Shri Maruti Saira, Shri Arun Mahoday, Dr. Pawan, invitees, the parents, and my dear students. Very good evening to all of you. First of all, my greetings and best wishes to all the faculty, teachers, students for this annual day being celebrated today at RCA Lab School. In fact, other day when our Anil Kumar was telling me evening 5 to 9 the annual day celebrations planned, I was wondering how in the evening, that too particularly this winter, a lot of it will be slightly colder and all those things. It may be difficult for the students to be up to 9 o'clock and all those things. Then I was saying, no, the parents and students only are requesting to be in the evening because they can participate. I think it is seeing the response, complete full, all the seats are filled with students and parents. I think this is very apt and the time is very apt and all. I am very happy to see all of you actually participating. In fact, it is very jubilant mood here as such. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the winners now who got the prizes, certificates, basically with respect to sports or the academics. And the co-curricular activities and all those things. And I am very happy to see all the children receiving them and performing very well in their all academics, co-curricular, extracurricular activities. In fact, I would like to say this, all of you are very fortunate to be in RCA school because one is this, the ambience and the completely pollution-free environment is very much apt for this studying in this school. And only thing is now, if you see any other schools in the city, very few schools are having this type of the vast ground and playing facilities in all the sports, for sports and all those things. And I request the teachers and students to encourage students to participate in the sports activities, physical activities, so that they will be not only in the academics but also in the physical activities. They will be very much fit and it will go a long way in their future career building and other things. In fact, I think the recently last couple of years we have seen a lot of changes in the school happening. One is, I think last year our the digital classrooms were inaugurated, and in fact it is a lot of new techniques are being employed in the teaching nowadays. Particularly one is this digital classroom teaching with a lot of new gadgets and the computer-based teaching and all those things. But I would like to caution that this will not eliminate the need for the teacher teaching the students on the blackboard, because this only aids the teacher, so the student, so that they will be able to understand quickly and the concept and other things. But the teacher student, whatever the old classical methods should continue, then only I think the overall development of the student will happen. And one more thing I would like to caution the parents, basically one is we should teachers also, they restrict the the electronic gadgets usage by the students, particularly children and other things, basically with respect to smartphones or the internet and all those things. So maybe it is very much essential to be abreast with the latest technologies, but at the same time we should not become addicted to these new technologies so that the other activities should not hamper basically. So I think we should limit. One of the things is nowadays everywhere seeing we limit the usage of this type of using electronic gadgets. Some daily maybe can restrict to some 1 hour and all those things, but we should not become addicted. I think this is one of the things which we should keep in mind, and I'm very happy that the school is performing in academics. In particularly 10th class, I have said they got 96% percentile in the overall class 10 academics, and I think 100% pass out. That's what I was told by the VMC committee, and I should congratulate the teachers and the students, and also the management committee for this excellent performance. And I think we should continue to perform very excellent in academics, and the sooner this RC Lab School should become number one in this Hyderabad region, etc. And I'm very happy that the Atal Niti Aayog Atal Tinkering Lab mission, basically whatever the principal has announced, this school has been selected, and in fact I think we should make use of that fund, whatever been for the infrastructure or the laboratories enhancement. I think this the school and teachers and the students should make use of it, and the innovation. I think Mr. Anil Kumar was saying, I think the students should play, the students should be encouraged to develop a lot of innovative skills and innovative ideas, and they should be encouraged to implement all those things, and without whatever requirement, I think the lab, the school will provide, and all the support required. I think RCI will be able to help you in building the school to one of the topmost school in the Twin Cities. And only one thing I would like to say in the end is basically this RCI is the brainchild of Dr. Abdul Kalam, and I think in fact Dr. Abdul Kalam visited this lab school also a couple of times, and only we should remember that whatever he has particularly told the youth and students to inculcate, but particularly one is the present is whatever now the technology and the education system. If you want to build your career and all those things, one is the thirst for acquiring knowledge. It should always be there, and there should be continuous perseverance to achieve this knowledge. And one should be very simple, and one should inculcate leadership skills. I think that all should come the school from the school days itself. I think all these characteristics, I think the students should inculcate particularly from the childhood. Particularly the schools should make a lot of the teachers and all should see that the students will inculcate all these good qualities during their school days, and I think this will go a long way in their career. And I once again congratulate the management committee, the teachers and the students for this excellent achievements during all these years, and also for this excellent environment today. I think I am seeing very jovial here, and once again congratulations to all of you, and the best wishes. Thank you for inviting me, and all the very best. Thank you.
Evening we have. Really. Actually, we thought when we thought like put 1,000 chairs here, we were doubting whether at least the half of the area may get filled and half of the chairs may go waste. But you made the program a grand success. Thank you very much. A great round of applause for the kids, parents, teachers and the staff. Respected Director, respected DOMS, Chairman BMC, my colleagues, other invitees, respected Principal, staff, teachers, parents, my dear students. Principals are told about the kind of achievements we have been getting since the inception of the school. This is the consecutive 19th year, 19 years, we have had no failure. Consecutive 19 years. This is not a small task. The gigantic task has been taken up by our staff. Excellent performance by the students. Continuous efforts by the staff, by the principal and the parents. As you know, we have been continuously striving our level best to improve the infrastructure facilities of the school. Academics anyway, I need not mention. The results itself tells you the kind of teaching staff we have. We are trying to aid the students and the teachers with the best-in-class facilities which will aid them to nurture the students to the next level. Our school is future ready. Our school is for the future generations to come. We are ready for any challenge. Our students are ready for any challenge that is going to come in the future. And the next step in this is the Atal Tinkering Lab. As already Chairman and the Principal has mentioned, that is going to be another jewel in this DLS RCI. I thank the previous managements who have strived a lot to nurture the school and who have been guiding force, especially Bhatt sir and Pradeep Agarwal sir, continuously available for us. And just now Pradeep sir was mentioning, conducting such a event was like 5 years dream for him. Thank you sir for giving such a guidance and motivating us for doing many laurels to the school. Last but not the least, any change or any improvement is not possible with the parents' support. I request all the parents, please provide inputs and also support the management and the school for the continuous improvement. We are trying to make the school not as a reading place or study place. It is a place where your child is getting nurtured as a good citizen for the overall development of the kid. So this program is one example in that process. Our principal and the staff along with the VMC, we have been visiting many renowned schools, getting inputs from the various institutions. We have been consulting various agencies for the improvement of the school, trying to adopt the best practices that are possible, that can be adapted in our school, and we are trying to improve the facilities as much as we can. This process will continue, and from VMC side, I am thankful to the RCI management, director, DOMS, other services, GE, MES, EMO, MTO, Headworks, Communications. Sorry if I miss anybody. Every person, everyone is supporting school. When it comes to the requirement of school, everyone is coming forward and supporting us. Thank you, sir, for such a continuous support. We will continue to strive to provide the best possible education for your kids. Thank you very much. Hope you are all with us.
Thank you, sir. Our school is sure to be future ready. Now, we would like to resume Telugu skit, written and directed by our students. This skit depicts the story of a doctor and his compounder who think water is the panacea to all diseases. Here comes the skit.
అబ్బా కాసేపు పేపర్ చదువుదాం. దొరికిపోయిన దొంగ డాక్టర్. ఓహో, లారీ బస్సు ఢీ 10 మంది మృతి. డాక్టర్ లేక రోగుల అవస్థలు. చి అన్నీ వార్తలు. కాసేపు నిద్రపోదాం.
డాక్టర్ గారు వచ్చే వేళ అయింది. అలా సార్ కుర్చీ పైన ఎందుకు కూర్చున్నావు? లేరా?
రాత్రి అంతా వెనుకల ప్రచారానికి వెళ్ళొచ్చాను రా. కాసేపు నిద్రపోని. హలో హర్ష.
హాయ్ సిస్టర్.
వీడేంటి?
ఉండు, వీడి సంగతి చెప్దాం.
అలాగే.
కాంపౌండర్, పేషెంట్లు ఎవరైనా వచ్చారా?
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ డాక్టర్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. అసలు ఈ డాక్టర్ అంటే ఏమనుకున్నారు? క్రమశిక్షణకే మారిపోయారు. నా పేరు డాక్టర్ కరో తీర్థహరి టిఏబిఎఫ్. కరో తీర్థహరి అంటే కనిపించని రోగాలను తీర్థంలో ముంచి హరించేవాడని అర్థం.
డాక్టర్ ఏబిసిడి విన్నాము, డాక్టర్ ఎంబీబీఎస్ విన్నాం, కానీ డాక్టర్ టిఏబిఎఫ్ అంటే ఏంటి?
ఏమోరా, నాకు కూడా తెలియదు.
డాక్టర్ టిఏబిఎఫ్ అంటే 10th appeared but failed. అయినా అవన్నీ మనం బయటకు చెప్పకూడదురా.
ఓహో,
ఇంతకీ తీర్థం ఎక్కడా? నర్స్, పేషెంట్లు ఎవరైనా వచ్చారేమో చూడు.
అలాగే డాక్టర్ గారు.
కర్పూర వాసన కొంచెమైన లేక కవితయుండునా ఈ కవి మనమునందునా? కవిత లేక నేను లేను, నేను లేక కవిత లేదు.
ఇంతకీ మీరు ఎవరు సారు?
తెలుగు నేల యందు ఇంటికొక్కడు ఉండు, ఇంత మాత్రము మీరు ఎరుగలేరా? కవిని నేను కనిపించినవి రాస్తాను, కవిని నేను వినిపించినవి రాస్తాను. ఓహో, కవియా? మరి కవిత ఎవరు?
ఇగోనమ్మా, ఈ ముసుగు కప్పుకొని కూర్చున్నది ఈయననేనా?